Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I reorganize my entire closet. It's actually a really big job, but I feel so much better now that it's done. I'm filming this part obviously after it's done. I feel so much better now because I got a lot of things out of there that I just don't reach for very frequently. Things that are really nice that I was just kind of holding on to, but I was just never wearing. So I have a whole entire pile right in front of me right now of all things that I'm just going to be donating. And then this right here is kind of the aftermath. These are all things that I'm actually going to be selling on my Poshmark. So I know a lot of you already have Poshmark, but if you don't, make sure to click the link in the description box because I do have a link where you guys can download the app. And if you guys already have it, leave your username down below in the comment section so we can follow each other and shop each other's closets. And a big thanks to Poshmark because they are partnering with me on today's video. I'm just so excited about it because for so long, so many of you have been telling me, get on Poshmark, sell some of your stuff. So I finally did it and I'm having so much fun with this app. I realized it's actually super easy to use. I honestly feel like it's the easiest way to sell stuff. It's just been super easy and really fun. Really quick, I'm gonna open my app and kind of show you guys what my Poshmark closet looks like, and I'm going to be listing everything at a really reasonable price, and then I'll give you guys a little peek of some of the items. So this is probably the nicest item that's in my Poshmark store right now. This is a North Face jacket. It was $300 from the North Face store when I bought it. It's so warm and I literally wore it probably once or twice. It's belted. It's really cute, really flattering. I got it in extra small, which was a big mistake because yes, it fits like maybe over a lightweight sweater, but if you want to wear like a chunky sweater, which I do most of the time in the winter, it's just a little tight on me. If you're a little bit smaller than me or you don't plan on wearing like chunky sweaters, this is the coat for you. It is so nice, so cute, and I wish so badly it was just a little bit bigger so I could wear it because I would wear it every single day. A peek at another item you'll see in my Poshmark closet is this little chenille sweater. This was recently in a haul actually, and it's from Express. It's really cute, but the reason why I'm getting rid of this is because I realized as I was cleaning out my closet, I have two of these sweaters. So the other one I have is like so similar. It's also from Express. It's just a crew neck instead, but it's literally the exact same thing. So I was like, okay, I don't need two. But yeah, all this stuff will eventually be on my Poshmark. I'm gonna keep adding things every single day. If you get on my Poshmark closet, you'll also see these brand new Adidas Gazelle sneakers. You'll see these Tory Burch flats. You will see these beautiful Michael Kors shoes, never been worn. You'll also see this Michael Kors bag, which unfortunately I just never use, but it is so stinking beautiful. Really soft leather. So that's just kind of a peek of some of the things that I am selling on my Poshmark. So make sure to follow me, download the app in the description box if you guys haven't already downloaded it before. So now I'm going to share with you guys the whole organizational process of my closet, the before, the after. I just hope that this video gives you guys a little bit of inspiration to clean out your closet maybe and to get organized. So anyway, let's just go ahead and get right into it. We're entering into the closet, which is so embarrassing right now. It is a disaster. If you guys saw my closet organization video at our old house, first you would know I used to have a lot more clothes than even this. I know this seems like a lot, but I used to even have more. I have been getting rid of so much stuff. I would say I come in here once every couple of weeks and I typically get rid of a few things. So I have a huge pile of things that I'm donating. Some of the nicer items, things that are still in really good condition or almost brand new, I am going to be selling. I just feel like 70% of my closet, like a lot of these clothes, I don't even wear. I don't even reach for some of these things. I just hold on to them because I'm like, oh, that's really nice, but I just don't wear it. These drawers over here where I keep like pajamas, underwear, socks, all that stuff, and they are literally overflowing. And I just bought new socks, so I just want to get rid of all my old socks, everything, and just have my new ones in there. These drawers are Joshua's. This just a random shelf with old receipts and junk. It's just, yeah. So this whole section over here, this is all Joshua's stuff. I'll probably take all this stuff out of here and maybe just set it on the bed. He doesn't wear a lot of these shirts anymore. And then the rest of his clothes he keeps in like these drawers and then the dresser in the bedroom. But I mean, as you guys can see, I also have like a shoe problem. I have so many shoes down there. This is full of shoes. That's full of shoes. Up here we have shoes. I gotta get rid of this stuff. Also, while I was at Walmart the other day, I grabbed these. If you guys saw my Walmart shopping video, so I grabbed some of these. Maybe these will help for organizing. And then I also got some of these things. So these are like little shoe organizers. There's 2 in each one, and I got 2 packs of them. I didn't want to go over the top with these because I was like, oh, I'm not sure like how many of these I'll need or actually want to use, because I do like being able to see my shoes. But for like my really special occasion shoes that I never wear and they just end up getting really dusty, I thought these would be nice. And then I also got these, which if these work out, I might even get more of these, especially for like socks, underwear, all that stuff. And I might get some for Joshua's drawers if I end up liking these. But yeah, these were really, really affordable all at Walmart.
I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow and me are one.
So basically, all I've done so far is create a huge mess for myself. So before I get any further into the closet, I think I'm going to go through all of this stuff right now. Start putting some stuff in a giveaway pile, things I want to put on Poshmark, things that maybe just need to be thrown away. And then I think I'll put some stuff back into these top shelves and everything. And then I'll start going through the rest. Starting to come along pretty well. I've gone through everything, but I still feel like, I could really get rid of a lot more. But little by little, there's so much junk around. I don't even know if you guys can tell what's my pile. This all right here is my giveaway pile so far. I mean, I've got so much stuff in here at my tripod because I'm filming and everything. But I've got quite a huge pile here started, and I'm not even done with it. Alright guys, so here is the finished product of my closet. I'll take you guys through the whole thing so you guys can kind of see what I did to everything. First, I will say, before I even started cleaning out the closet, I had Joshua remove the door that was right here because it was taking up so much space. Like, we didn't even have anything back there, but you didn't even realize that this was a part of the closet. So now we can actually put like a laundry basket in here, which before it was just like out in our bedroom for the world to see. So I actually like it way better without the door. But if you guys have any ideas for what we could do for this door, like we might do like maybe a sliding door or something just to kind of go over it or something. The closet is so much more empty, but honestly I feel like I could still get rid of more clothes. So make sure to be following me over on Poshmark because I'm probably going to end up putting more stuff on here. But I'll just start with the top. Okay, so up here I just have a few of like my more fancy shoes. And these are shoes that I probably would only wear in the summer and I just don't wear them too frequently. In the box is a pair of dress shoes. And those two back there, those are the Walmart boxes, the shoe boxes. Okay, I got 2 packs of them, so I have 4 of those total, but I only used 1 pack right now because I'm just going to see what I think. I just don't know how I feel about them yet. It is going to be nice just because they won't get dusty and everything, but the boxes are really, really huge, so I don't know. Those are just some shoes that I haven't really worn too much, and I just don't want to get dusty. This, I had so many belts in there before, and I really, really narrowed it down. Those are just a couple hats that I'm keeping. And then, I don't know, I guess I'll just take you guys all the way around. This section, I used to have like a box up there with like purses and stuff, but I'm basically getting rid of all of the purses that were in there. So now this is just a full empty space in there. It's really like deep in there too. So I don't know, maybe I should put like some of those boxes back there. I don't know what I'm going to put back there now. Maybe Joshua will end up using it for something. I have some of like my boots up there. In here, just like tank tops and like nylons and things like that. I ended up folding a lot of my sweaters and putting them in here. The reason why I'm folding my sweaters now is because I used to hang a lot of them up, and then I noticed they just lost their shape and they just weren't as nice anymore. So if that happens to your sweaters, just fold them. And then here, this works way better than what I had before. So before, I just had like this wicker basket and all my shirts were just like piled on top of each other. Now I folded them this way so I can see what every single shirt is. And I just like these baskets from Walmart so much. So that's what I did with all those shirts, and I love that. And then I put all my leggings in here. And then this was kind of like our junk section before. So I just have leggings in here now. And then I have like sunglasses in here. Joshua's, all of his belts in here. And then this one's empty. I'm not sure what we're going to use that for. This is basically the only jewelry that I wear. I really don't wear a ton of jewelry. I have this here like for change that's in our pockets or something. And then those are all of my perfumes back there. And then I'm going to let Joshua decide what he wants to do with that side. Up here are just all of his like sweatshirts and sweaters. And then I kind of went through and organized some of his shirts, minimized a lot of them that he never wears or like had holes in them and stuff. I also a long time ago changed all of our hangers to like the thinner velvet ones, and it does save a lot of space. I also went through all these drawers, reorganized all of them. That was a ton of work. I do have to say though, let me grab it, these little drawer organizers I got from Walmart did not fit in my drawers, but they are super, super nice. So Joshua might use them in the dresser drawers that he uses in the bedroom. So yeah, Joshua still has to go through like, this section is his over here. He has to go through like some of his socks and all that stuff. But I went through and reorganized mine, but I'm not gonna show you guys my underwear and stuff because that's kind of weird. I minimized a lot of my shoes, but through this process, I just realized I love shoes and I just have way too many. These are the ones that I feel like I do wear pretty much. I narrowed down my sweatshirts a lot. Could probably still get rid of a few more. Let's see what else. These are all like tank tops and like short sleeve shirts that I wear in the summer. And then here and here are all like long sleeve shirts, sweaters. So I do have a lot of winter clothes, which this really could be narrowed down a little bit more. But you guys saw, I did get rid of a lot of stuff already. So I think every week I'm just going to come in here and be like, okay, what have you worn recently? What are you not reaching for? And then just get rid of it. Then back here, these are all just like dresses. A lot of things that like are more for just like a special occasion or just in the summer or something. These are all Joshua's suits in this big thing. And that is pretty much it. I'm just really glad I can keep my laundry basket in here now. That just makes me super happy. Oh, also, all of my jeans are in that bin. Before I had them like up on this shelf in the bin. So now they're just down on the floor. I don't know, maybe I should put them up there or something. But I do have way too many jeans too, but I don't know. I really, really like all the ones that I have. I went through all of them. Oh, and I almost forgot to show you guys. This is where I keep like all of my ball caps. These are all, like I wear my ball caps. And then these are all like winter hats in here. that I wear pretty much all of those. And then back there is like scarves. All right, guys, so that is my completed closet organization and tour of our closet and everything. I hope that this video gave you guys a little bit of inspiration to start cleaning out some of your stuff. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Also comment down below your Poshmark username so we can start shopping each other's closets. And if you guys do not have Poshmark already, make sure to find that link in my description box, and that way you guys can download it and start shopping or selling stuff from your closet. I just hope that this video kind of inspired you guys. I know this isn't like the perfect organization or closet tour, but I just kind of hope it inspired you guys. But let me know what you thought. Big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. Hope you guys are having an amazing week, and I will see you really soon in my next video.